Very good morning to all of you. Now I am going to take mock interview of one of my student. Okay, she is going to give IBPS SO law officer. Okay, now already on 14th of December, Rajbhasha Adhikari, law officer, IT officer, HR personnel, marketing and agricultural field officer AFO. Mains one happen. Okay, those students who have faith on their self that yes, he and she will clear the exam, they are start practicing of mock interview, their study also. So just try to listen this law officer interview. If you are interested, just text me on my number 7503 235358. Okay, start from may I come in, beta?
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come.
Very good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, tell me what is the meaning of your name, Mahjaveen?
So, Mahjabeen means moon face beauty. In normal terms, I should say beautiful as moon.
Okay, who is currently the CM and Governor of Odisha? Because you are from Odisha.
Yes, sir. So, CM is Mohan Charan Maji, sir.
Yeah.
And Governor is Raghupat Das.
Okay,
sir.
नाम के आगे श्रीमान श्रीमती लगाएंगे बेटा, पुट सैल्यूटेशन.
Okay, sir.
नाम के आगे लगाएंगे ना, हाँ या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Who is you are going to give the law officer interview? Okay, एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए, फिर मैं आगे बढ़ता हूँ. Who is currently the Chief Justice of India, new CJI?
Sir, new CGI of India, which is the 51st CGI of India, is Justice Sanjeev Khanna, sir.
Okay, Honorable Justice Sanjeev Khanna.
Yes, sir.
Okay, briefly introduce yourself.
So, my name is Mahjabeen. I'm from Cuttack, Odisha, and I have done my school education from DAV Public School, Cuttack, and my 12th from Ravenshaw Junior College.
Little bit loud.
I have done my
Little bit loud. थोड़ा पास से बोलो और थोड़ा तेज बोलो, आवाज कम आ रहा है.
Yes, sir. So, I have done my graduation in BA LLB from Damodar Sanjeev National Law University, and my father is an employee from Principal Accountant General Office, Odisha, and my mother is a homemaker. I have a younger brother, and apart from studies and getting things, new things to I like to draw, sketch, and do painting sometimes.
Okay, good. You told that your father is working in?
Principal Accountant General Office,
Good.
Odisha.
When we celebrate GST Day, Goods and Service Day?
Sir,
1st of July.
I'm not able to recall it, sir.
1st of July. Okay, you heard about Attorney General and Solicitor General.
Yes, sir.
Who is currently Attorney General and Solicitor General?
Sir, Attorney General is Mr. R. Venkatarami, sir.
Yeah.
And Solicitors General of India is Mr. Tushar Mehta, sir.
Okay. You are completed your LLB from which college?
So I've completed my LLB degree from Damodar Sanjeev National Law University, Visakhapatnam.
It's
Andhra
5-year
Pradesh.
course?
Yes, sir. It's an integrated 5-year course.
Please explain what is this integrated 5-year course?
So basically, in this BA course and plus LLB course are integrated, which makes it a honors. So in 5 years, 2 years you have to study BA subjects, and 3 years you have to study the LLB subjects.
Okay. What is the work profile of a law officer in a bank?
So the work profile of a law officer in a bank is to first draft legal documents for bank and advise the bank regarding the laws and regulation. They have to comply with the regulations of RBI, and to assist to have assistance and compliance with the panel lawyers regarding the recovery loan cases.
Okay. If you have remember what you have filled in your application form as a first preference in IBPS? याद है क्या फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस क्या फिल किया था? नहीं याद है तो कोई बात नहीं, देख लीजिएगा. और उस बैंक का हेडक्वार्टर, चेयरमैन एंड टैगलाइन वगैरह देख लेना है, फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस और सेकंड
Sir,
प्रेफरेंस का.
I can answer this now, right now.
Okay.
I'm able to recall it.
Okay.
Sir, I have given Bank of India, then Canara Bank.
ओके,
And
बैंक ऑफ
maybe
इंडिया का
last
चेयरमैन और
is Punjab
टैगलाइन
National.
वगैरह और कैनरा बैंक का देख लेना है, ये हेडक्वार्टर्स वगैरह. ओके.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You heard about the because you are for the law officer interview. You heard about the NI Act, Negotiable Instrument Act.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something.
So, Negotiable Instrument Act is an instrument which promises to pay a specific amount to a specific person or a assignee, or to transfer it to the another person. So, bill of exchange, promissory note, and check are the negotiable instrument acts of India.
Okay. Okay. Very good. What is the difference between check and DD?
Sir,
A check.
so both check and DD are both bill of exchange.
They are both
And,
example of negotiable instrument, but if you
They are both,
differentiate it, a check can be bounced, a DD cannot bounce. Okay. A check.
Okay, sir.
A check at the time of making a check, there will be no extra charges. For making a DD, there will be extra charges. Okay. There are 5 or 4 difference. Just go through it also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tell me something. Banking Regulation Act.
So, Banking Regulation Acts regulates the bank, and this under this act, usually the commercial banks gets the license from RBI.
Okay. You heard about Reserve Bank of India Act?
Yes, sir.
Tell me something.
So, Reserve Bank of India regulates all the banking sector.
Mm-hmm.
It actually provide guidelines, rules, and regulation to a banking company, and give license to them too.
Who is the new governor of RBI?
So the new governor of RBI is Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, sir.
Okay. You are having some gap year. Please describe your gap year.
So I'm graduated in 2021, and then I was preparing for bank exam. In my first attempt, I was not able to clear prelims by 2 marks. Then again in next year I tried, which I lagged behind with 1 mark. And fortunately, this was my third prelim, but first mains, which I was able to clear it.
Okay, very good. You heard about IBC, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about that in brief.
So, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code actually means it's
हिंदी में भी
basically
आप
for the insolvency.
अगर दिक्कत हो रहा है तो
for
हिंदी
the-
में भी आंसर दे सकते हैं, नो इशू. या
Yes, sir. So it is for the insolvency and the bankruptcy process for individual, a partnership firm, or a corporate
okay.
to
You
go
are
for
reading.
a bankruptcy process.
You are reading daily newspaper.
Yes, sir. I've started recently now.
Started recently. Okay. You have read today newspaper और yesterday newspaper. आपने खुद से बताइए आज या कल के फ्रंट पेज पे क्या कुछ ऐसा पॉपुलर 1-2 न्यूज़ जो आपने खुद पढ़ा है, अगर मैं ना पूछूं तो. Any news that you have completed? Yesterday newspaper or today newspaper?
So the highlight topic was regarding one nation, one election.
Yeah. Who is the committee head of One Nation, One Election? And tell me something about that. You are a law officer student. What is the benefit or why it is in the news?
So one election, one nation and one election is actually regarding, it is a 129th amendment bill, where it has been presented in the parliament in this winter session. It is actually regarding that there should be a simultaneous or in a same tenure election to be should be held, so that with the objective that it will cut the election cost.
Who is the
This till now has not been passed.
Who is the committee head?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall it right now.
It is Ramnath Kovind. Just
Yes,
go
sir.
through it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Recently in November we celebrated National Constitution Day. On which date?
Yes, sir. 26 November.
Okay. You heard about something High Court and Supreme Court. What it is mentioned something in our constitution.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me something about the articles.
So 124 and 214.
Little
Is
bit
the
something
first
about
is
High
the
Court and Supreme Court.
124 of Supreme Court is the Constitution of Supreme Court, and 124 214 is about the Constitution of High Court.
Okay. Go through it properly. Yeah. Continue.
Okay, sir.
Continue
And sir, in Supreme Court, there should be 34 judges in total, including the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Right now, we have 33 judges, including Chief Justice of Supreme Court.
If we will posted you anywhere in India, it's a pan-India job, then how will you manage, Majabin?
Sir, I have no
Please
issue
explain.
regarding the transfer.
Please explain in brief.
Sir, during my preparation days, when there was any recursion regarding a bank legal officer job, I was aware that I'll be posted anywhere in the India. So I have always been mentally prepared for that, and never had that objection regarding transfer of to any state.
Okay. Okay, very good. You heard about SARFAESI Act, beta, Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act, 2002.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So, securitization and reconstruction of financial asset and security of interest. Basically, if there is an NPA which is called non-performing assets, so the asset reconstruction company, they actually secure and reconstruct the financial asset and make sure that they enforce the security interest like charge, hypothecation, mortgage, so that the bank can recover from the NPS, that is non-performing assets.
You heard about pledge and hypothecation?
Yes, sir.
You know the difference between pledge and hypothecation?
Yes, sir. Pledge and hypothecation is both are related to movable property. How means pledging the movable property as a security. However, in hypothecation, basically, the ownership and possession of the asset remains with the owner. And in pledge, you have to give it as a security.
Okay, you know that KYC, it was started from 2002. Why it is important in a bank? Because RBI told all the banks to check the customer on KYC basis. Why KYC is important and what is KYC?
So KYC actually is know your customer. So here the bank take the details regarding the identification and address of a customer, so that to ensure that the bank services are not misused.
Okay. How you utilize your knowledge in a law officer job? Situational question, so please explain.
Sir, I've always had that keen interest in the banking law subject. I have taken banking law as a optional in one of my semester also, and I have got good grades in that. And I have studied various acts related to the banking sector. I'm well versed with the procedure, rules and regulation what a banks need to comply with, and therefore I'll be do my best for that post, and this will be a great opportunity to learn and give my best to it.
What is your short-term goal and long-term goal in this organization if you are selected?
Some short-term goal initially will be to be recruited as a law officer in such participating banks, and my long-term goal will be to grow further and further whenever I'll get an opportunity to be.
Okay, after some time, if you will get married, then how will you manage the bank, your family, and all?
So marriage will not be an hindrance to my career. I'll prioritize everything, and I'm good at multitasking. So I'll make sure that I'll give my best in every field.
Okay, nowadays banking job is little bit tougher and tougher day by day due to the work profile, work life balance, due to the extra working timing and all. Then how will you manage? Means how will you work in this area?
Sir, I believe that the work load will not be a demotivating thing for me.
Okay.
I'll do my best because I have a keen interest in the banking sectors and banking laws. So I believe that no matter how hardworking I have to be to give my best, I'll make sure that I delivered with all my honesty and sincerity.
You heard about DICGC, Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee?
Yes, sir.
Tell me something.
Sir, deposit insurance credit guarantee is actually when usually it insures depositors' fund. So when a bank is insolvent or defaults in payment to the depositors, the DICG plays a role in ensuring so that they give 5 lakhs max within 2 months to each depositor of that bank.
Okay. You are from Odisha. Where is from our president is where are हमारी president कहाँ से हैं? कहाँ से belong करती हैं?
Sir, our President Draupadi Murmu ma'am is from Mayurbhanj district of Odisha.
Okay. President आपको president का article पता है?
No sir, I'm not able to recall right now.
ओके देख लेना है, ये बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन है. ओके.
Yes sir.
ओके. सपोज एज ए लॉ ऑफिसर, ओके, आपने बेयर एक्ट पढ़ा होगा. सपोज कि आपने बेयर एक्ट पढ़ा ही होगा.
Yes sir.
ओके. सो मुझे बेयर एक्ट के बारे में बताइए कि बेयर एक्ट में आपने क्या पढ़ा है. व्हाट यू हैव लर्न अंडर द बेयर एक्ट इन ब्रीफ.
So the BEAR Act is about that particular act which will have a objective in that short title. Then we will have a preliminary section in which all the definition regarding the acts section will be there, and then the about interpretations will be there to what extent what the scope of the act is, which means that to what extent the act applies, like to whole of India or except Jammu Kashmir or not, like that. And
Okay.
then we will have a section in which it will in every aspect it will explain about the act, whether it's the act can be a substantive law or a procedure law.
ओके. लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम माय साइड. रिसेंटली कुछ समय पहले अमित शाह ने तीन चेंजेस करा है, 3 बिल लेके आए थे, 3 लॉ. उसके बारे में कुछ आइडिया है?
Yes sir, it was the new 3 criminal bills.
3 criminals law. बिल्कुल मैं इसी के बारे में पूछना चाह रहा हूँ. या टेल मी समथिंग.
Yes sir, it has came to an effect from 1st July 2024. This bill are like first is which has replaced IPC, sorry, is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, and then CRPC, the Bharatiya Nagrik Sakshya Suraksha 2023, and then the last is Indian Evidence Act, which is Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023.
Good. Guys, now I'm going to give feedback to my student. If you are interested for any field like law officer, AFO, IT, Okay, HR and marketing, text me on my number 7503235358. Okay, result will announce after some time, but start preparation if you are not started yet. Okay, just try to listen this mock, take help from it for banking industry, regulatory bodies, okay, insurance sector and all. Super 50 is famous for mains and interview. Namaste, Jai Ma Saraswati.